good into it? It's your boy Social Kid T, man. I'm finally back with another fucking car interview, dog. Now today's, dog, this is our second, I repeat, our second challenger him on the channel, dog. But before we get into the car, I want y'all to boys to meet somebody. Without Joe.
Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy Joe Go Crazy, man. Here with my dog channel, man. Y'all tap in, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all do everything, man.
But first thing first, bro, what got you into cars, bro?
So what really got me into cars, I'm gonna be honest, gang, like, this shit might sound kind of gay though, but me and my dogs, we'll be in the whip and we'll see some fast shit just slide by. We down about to rip our down shirt, gang, just like, damn. But eventually, you know, I'm like, fuck it, okay. You know, I met up with some people that, you know, new cars and shit. We go to the lot and we seen, you feel me, this car. I'm like, fuck it, gang, I gotta have that move. I see Joe in that, so I just said, fuck it, man. We take the chance. Grab that bitch.
So like with challenges, it was on some shit like that be at 5 here, I gotta get one type shit, or
yeah, it really. I always told everybody I was gonna get a challenger. The person I was with, they was like, man, get a charger, get a charger, get a charger.
I mean, you got more space, but it's just really your person, what you fucking like, honestly, dog. Second question I got for you: what made you pick Dodge or Challenger? Like, what got you into like this brand of car, like Mopar, basically?
See, what got me into Mopar, I'm gonna be honest, again, I be seeing a lot of YouTube, you know, you got Poppy Q, you got a couple of people like, SRT, and they got that hashtag and stuff, so I'm like, fuck it, gang. Like, I see myself in the RT, not an SRT yet, but like the RT. I fuck with the Mopar, how it sound and shit, how it just like, you pull up to the gas station, people look at you, like, that's all they be now. You pull up somewhere, they look at you, and they automatically think you shit a Hellcat, gang, like, just off the sound, so.
Yeah. Third, bro, what modifications is done to the car that you know of so far?
There's so much good. So they added the demon head on it. First of all, they threw a demon head on it. There's a couple stuff on it. They added some speakers too. That shit might be a little crazy. They added two. On both doors, gang. I'm gonna play it for him. Look at that.
Got speakers on the doors. Rich ass. What's up, man?
You got the bass in this thing, right? You got the bass. You got this small amp. Got some tripping. Battery, you know, battery.
Yeah.
I'm trying to later for y'all. They just booming though. I don't really know too bad. There's mustard lead on them, of course. I'm thinking about getting a straight pipe, so I gotta wait on that though. I want to add a cam on that thing.
A cam? Hell yeah. Yeah. That's like you cam. I feel like you probably have some tone. Yeah. I think so. Don't quote me on it, but I believe you do. And that's what I got for you, bro. What is your motivation? Where's your drive every fucking day, dog? What gets you going every day?
To be honest, it's always God first. I'm being honest. A lot of people say that, but like a lot of people, like when they say it, they don't mean it. Like when I say God first, like God is the reason a lot of people are in my life doing certain things. God's the reason I got this car. God's the reason for a lot of stuff that drives me. So more than likely to be God. I wouldn't say my mom's done, but you know, in a sense, they are with God. So everything surrounds myself. Like my motivation to get up every day, I want to do right by God and do right by myself and by my people too, because whatever I'm doing in this car or just anywhere in general in life, it's affected by them too, so that's really my motivation.
Yeah, dog. In the comments below, let me know what y'all daily motivation will get y'all going every single fucking day, bro. I ain't gonna lie, my drive in life, like what gets me going every day, bro, is the future, is what's to become, you feel me, what's like what I got for me, and where I see myself in 10 years when I see what myself doing. I mean, you never know. Like your expectations in reality can be way different. You feel me? Like you can be dreaming of this, and God can give you 10 times more. You feel me? So hell yeah, dog.
I like that, man.
Next question: what future mods you got planned for your car, bro?
Future mods, I'm thinking I'm going scrape pipe on these.
Okay.
These got to get scrape pipe. I'm thinking about getting a tune. I want to get the engine, another engine. I want to get the supercharger. I ain't gonna lie. I want to get the Hellcat engine.
If you want to swap it, you want to swap it, throw a Hellcat engine. Nigga, you didn't think about supercharger, the fucking, the 5.7?
I mean, I seen that though. That's like, you know, scat. But honestly, I'm thinking I want that motherfucker 6.4.
Nah, if you supercharge this, it will be faster than scat for sure.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
What song y'all fucking want?
Can't play too much, you know, copyright in this bitch.
Oh, yeah, man. So you gotta, you hear me?
King Cole short, I ain't worrying about you lost. We got big chops, I ain't worrying about no problems. Action, baby mama, chopper holding 60 in the AR right behind them. I killed her from the back, now she lipping when she riding. Triple one, bitch,
That bitch loud as fuck. That bitch loud and crisp and clear as fuck, dog.
Get in? I want you in this month. You gonna get in?
I'll hop in. Hey, y'all boy, pray for me in the comments. You feel me? Your boy might have some vlog this year.
What the fuck? Joe, what the fuck, man? God damn.
Boy, being a passenger of this bitch is crazy, dog.
Yeah.
When they
slide, the other corner they drive with y'all in it, motherfucker?
No, well, I was in it, yeah.
Yeah.
He did a pull right up here.
Yeah.
Nah, he's talking about the Quan with the
Which one? RT?
Nah, he didn't do that.
Nah. He's talking about RT. I thought he was like 5'0".
Yeah.
Only thing bad about these bitches gonna burn that gas, but oh my god.
And that gonna wrap it up for this video, boy. Make sure y'all boy sub, like, and share, dog. Y'all go do that, man. You got anything to say to these boys before we get out of this bit?
Hey man, the day was fun. You know, there's a lot of productive shit going on, man. Y'all like, comment, and sub, man. If y'all fuck with me, cause I fuck with bruh, share it, comment, everything, man. Roll to what? What you roll to?
Road to a K right now.
Do it there, man.
What you talking about?
7,000, man.
God, man. We out.